Two custom-made Boeing 777 aircraft, which will be used to fly Prime Minister Narendra Modi and other top Indian dignitaries, are likely to be delivered by Boeing to Air India by September, senior officials said on Monday. In October last year, government officials had said that the delivery of these two planes would be done by July. Reportedly, there has been some delay primarily due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has self-isolated himself after developing mild fever and sore throat. Kejriwal is also likely to undergo COVID-19 test since he is showing these symptoms. An Aam Aadmi Party spokesperson said that the Chief Minister has not received any guest or official since Sunday afternoon. Senior Congress leader P. Chidambaram questioned the Aam Aadmi Party government for reserving hospital beds for Delhi residents only in state-run hospitals. Chidambaram asked who qualifies to be a Delhiite hours after State Health Minister Satyendra Jain defended his government's decision. Chidambaram asked whether Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal had sought legal opinion before making the decision. Kejriwal said on Sunday that 10,000 beds under the Delhi government would be reserved for residents and beds under the central government can be used by all. Also, private hospitals covering special treatment will be open to all. Former Prime Minister H.D. Deve Gowda will contest the Rajya Sabha election in Karnataka at the behest of Sonia Gandhi, his son H.D. Kumaraswamy announced in tweets today. Former Karnataka Chief Minister Kumaraswamy said Deve Gowda will file his nominations tomorrow. He will now enter Parliament through Rajya Sabha for the first time since 1996 when he was Prime Minister. A consultative meeting chaired by Chief Minister Zoramthanga of Mizoram decided to impose 2-week total lockdown in the state from 9th June 2020 in view of the prevailing situation. Lockdown guidelines will be notified shortly. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi today took a jibe at Home Minister Amit Shah over his comment that India is the only country after the United States and Israel to have been able to protect its borders. He tweeted, "Everyone knows the reality of the border." Gandhi has time and again asked the government to clarify on the border standoff with China in Ladakh. Gandhi's comments come 2 days after India and China held high-level talks to resolve border issues near eastern Ladakh. Preliminary investigations into the death of a pregnant elephant in Kerala have found that it may have accidentally consumed a fruit filled with crackers, the Environment Ministry said on Monday. The ministry further noted that locals often resorted to illegal acts of planting fruits filled with explosives to repel wild boars from entering plantation farms.